how to verify your identity on the BetMGM app. Now, if you want to verify your identity on the BetMGM app, whether you're using the app or browser doesn't really matter because the process to verify are pretty much the same. Now, if I go to this help article, here are a couple of things that BetMGM mentions as about verification. Now, the documents that you will need will also be listed over here. Now, the forms of ID, basically they accept a driver's license, provisional driver's license, passport or birth certificate. You'll also need a proof of address where they will have to be mentioned your name, your address, the issue date or the company name and the logo. They also must actually have the proof of address like bills and statements, council tax bill, housing documents and everything as such. After you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then open the BetMGM app and then be able to go ahead and then verify your identity. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon as always in the next video.